that thing I go be. Now big trouble. I no feel like.
It happen like that sometimes, but not so many person go do. If you love him, you go marry him. But if you don't love him, you go leave him.
So if na me, I go marry because I don't marry am with that. I'll just marry another.
Na matter wey be say dey annoying for you to marry a lady wey tell you say na virgin. I no meet am in a way wey she take explain for you say she be virgin. E dey very annoying because nowadays na corruption and early internet don develop everywhere, so people dey corrupt every second.
You see this matter of virginity, na things of God. You get what I mean? But we human beings, we only said we are virgin. We think we are virgin, not that we are virgin. It's only God that knows the true virginity, and it's a covenant between man and God. If you met your wife as a virgin, lucky for you. But what happened after the virginity? You don't know. You get what I mean? So, and if you met her not as an experienced, the experience she has got, they said is the best teacher. My taught her better and make her to have a home. Home is what is matter most, not the virginity.
So from the outset of their relationship, they're supposed to tell themselves the truth. Both the husband supposed to open up to the fiancé and tell the fiancé, look, I've done this, and in the religious perspective of it, the girl will pray for him, and the man also pray for the woman. When the woman tells him the truth, this is what it is supposed to be.
If you know they corrupt through wetin they see on your own time internet, you can corrupt anywhere. So for girl to say virgin, it is very rare to see virgin nowadays because you know we just see virgin apart from maybe girl of maybe 9-10 years who can boast of that, say they be virgin, but for anyone that they are above that age, you know if you be virgin again.
Yes, so now welcome back. And I know I still Bobos and we dey here and we dey yarn one very serious matter inside this bar today. If you get babe, where the babe tell you say she be VV, aka I never crank before, and you can finally marry her, come finally say the babe don't crank tire. Wetin be the thing what you go do? And I know say our man dey inside bar with us today. Melvin, is still there, never go anywhere.
The only thing where this way vex me for this, because I know man if I'm virgin, I no go mind to marry virgin. If I go like to marry virgin because I'm a virgin, like I've said before. So like I was saying,
showman, make sure my friend, I go try for you. Or every time
are you always with me to know what I do?
I'm tired of here.
You understand?
So and I'll say something.
What are you not saying anything? What are you saying?
You for a guest to see. No, I'm not joking.
To see what?
Let him talk. Let him talk.
What's all this foolishness in you? The first day he came to the bar,
a guest that could not help his men outside.
We know he failed us.
He failed us now. So is he in my own place? Is he in my own place? He wants to get success. Please, I'm advising him.
Melvin.
Wait, I'm advising. Wait. Now,
advice.
I was saying something. I said, yes. After forget the fact saying this girl now you don't check now. She not be virgin. But one major thing which she don't do, now that trust which she don't break. You don't believe I'm all this why I say this girl now virgin. Then you call Mariam, she don't come be virgin. First thing when they run through your mind, and not go be, hey, how many or why this girl na virgin? The first thing go the best say first now say she don't break your trust. Secondly, now you won't come know how many people don't worship for that place.
You don't go even care again. You know what need. I don't think they run through your mind.
See what thing go be say. You go to wonder why she lied to you in the first place. You understand?
You go to say why did she lie?
So not be the amount of people she don't
exactly doesn't matter.
No, that one enter your mind though. That one will call your mind though.
You know people you don't crank. When they worry you.
I never.
Oh my now. Talk to this guy. Talk this. But let's say get one guy will do one of my guys something. Tell the guy say she be virgin. You know the night way they won't crack. You just tell the guy this guy off light. You know they say the girl they kill chicken for house. Now she carry small blood of chicken, time for lilo. Come use put for the shit. You know say you don't dey dark. So as they crank, she they shift go the side where she spread the thing. But the guy use like pin up for this side. So she they try go that side. Meanwhile because the guy don't carry come up for where she put the thing, the stain. So she did the guy they say shift to the left now to the left. I said no, okay. Yeah. So when they come finish, now the guy on light. Then they go say It's a virgin now. She goes, it was supposed to be just. She goes, it's splash now. It's splash. So that's why.
Melvin, quick one. I mean, basically, let's even put it this way. If you meet babe, say she be virgin, you go marry her, right? Like babe not virgin.
Well, okay, let me put it like this.
Yeah, go rush am if you waste time to
Okay,
answer.
wait,
Answer your own.
actually, I do not wish to marry a virgin.
Why?
Yeah?
What are your reasons?
Wow. Because, like I said before, I would love the woman I'm going to settle down with. I would love to have chemistry in bed with her. She's someone I would love to okay. Well, I mean, this part of her,
You know if you get
it's
chemistry
awesome
with
and everything.
virgin. You know
But
if you get chemistry
with virgin. Afterwards.
No, virgin.
Afterwards, when you marry her now.
Did one of the choking scenes?
No, but when you marry her now, the chemistry will
that's
not
what
be
I'm
there.
saying. Let me finish, please. He asked me a question.
I follow ask you too now.
Okay.
He's answering from the responsible
like
person.
I said, I do not wish to marry one because I would love us to do all our explorations in the sense that if I see her tomorrow...
Melvin, you don't speak big.
Okay, I just forget my purpose talk with this. In the sense, I would like me and the girl, we they know ourselves for that levels.
Okay.
So even when we marry, the hunger and the vibe will still dey there.
Well, I know where power dey.
Exactly.
Where
No,
you
So
but
you mean say
in the case now when we say I can't fall in love with virgin, I no talk say I go throw am. Of course, I will have no choice. I no get choice but to just go ahead with the matter and hope and pray that when I finally crank am, make I talk finish. When I finally crank am, we'll come build nice chemistry together. When we say it will come make sense. That's without hope.
But my worry is that waiting they make girls they really can't talk say I be virgin and they don't be virgin.
Before Melvin go answer this one, our women them don't they wait. Make you rush, go do CC opinion. When we come back, we see this side of the house. I beg not go anywhere and see Bobos here.
Now see Bobos talk. Where they drink they go.
That kind to be like fraud, you get, but at the same time,
She's supposed to don't talk say she no be virgin before they marry her.
I no fit support that kind thing because I be gay and I no fit carry that kind life for long.
The girl lie, and e be like say she gets the reason wetin make she lie on that matter. So they need to ask her wetin make she lie for that kind thing, and find out her reason. Before she enter the marriage, she don already commit. She don already talk say she no be virgin. No be say make she dey come marry her after she come say she be virgin and they come discover say she no be virgin.
So I no understand, but if the guy don't marry am, you know if he just divorce am because of that kind thing, yes, they fit just settle the case somehow, but I feel understand how the guy go be. It dey very shameful, but I don't know, it's just.
Why I said we don't come back when I don't see everywhere our women them gas talk on top this matter. On to say if you claim say you be VV, aka I never crank.
Why you dey drink my own drink? Which kind of thing be on this one now? We go.
Showman.
What be this now?
Leave him now.
This guy, I don't even know. Now this character,
I'm a guest in the studio. I'm a guest here.
Wait, guys.
Don't worry. Please, can you just answer this question? Whether you be good luck Jonathan, because maybe you are preparing yourself into becoming a president. Because no wait, I'm coming. I know I say Jonathan. You know Jonathan was always assistant to person, assistant before he became president.
Yes.
Now maybe Melvin they process himself because he went to Mr. Nigeria.
No,
wait,
expose that.
I'm coming.
We have exposed that one before.
Wait, it's on this show.
Don't worry. No, you know why?
I'll slap you.
He's going off the topic, you understand? And we don't get time. We don't get time. Pity
Why you pity? Why you?
Pity him.
Okay, you know
I won't knock and complain.
No, they tell my city for years.
Shut up, Bobadi! And they will try to help you. For that, Shakara is very angry now. He can kill you here now.
Retweet.
Can kill you here now.
People don't talk.
I just take only one.
All right.
Yeah, this Gresh Joshua Oluchuku. He said the man no say. You want for that read this? Maybe read them. Give you the privilege and honors to read at least one tweet.
He said the man no say virgins now from only 15 years downwards remain for Nigeria. He said if they find virgins from 16 years upwards, may go Israel go find wife.
That is bad. That's bad because what this guy talks about is say we don't get virgins for Nigeria. They're not very. I know say boy daughter is still a virgin. That one I very sure. That one with every confirmation.
You know, you say rumor. They carry one fake rumor. Fake, very fake rumor. Say one of her friends where they follow her drag boyfriend. The friend enter one boutique, next she go bounce out. Say, man, she no enter. Mobile police will match the girl out.
Why?
No, but na rumor, na fake rumor.
Yeah. The biggest butula.
Papa don't enter, so now this happen.
Make we rush. Make we do what don't spoil. When we come back from what don't spoil, we go get our, wrap up things. I mean, what don't spoil. Sharply, we dey come back. Abeg, una don see the word don spoil wey we carry give una o. Na true before, when you toast girl, you go dey happy say na girl you toast. But now, when you toast girl, carry her reach house, aka I am a man.
When I see that rugged man, you see that, I show you that rugged man picture. Where...
See now. People where they see you as fine boy, pink lips. I bet when they take scrape this pink lips. Now it's a play.
No, no, it's natural.
Melvin Oduah, natural one.
Because I know they walk out for a cage on that bridge. They come in, bro, tattoo, pink lips, tattoo. They hold one file for hand. One file. File, I say only goes file.
If you don't be natural, leave an
bro, tattoo, pink lips, tattoo.
So, Ugo. Before you fit tell, say girl now.
Of course.
Obviously, because
of course.
I don't see all this transgender, whatever is a problem now because
it's a very big one.
We are talking about virgin first. Say we didn't think of say one marry or how to know virgin when we say. Then now, guy we don't want crank girl. Can't go marry girl. We can't go say the girl na
Caitlyn Jenner.
Oh,
and we should even beware of all this tomboy then. Some of them will yes, because at the end they start they deceive us, say they form tomboy. Meanwhile.
Down there.
You understand? That guy, but they form tomboy, they call himself same lesbian. You understand?
But if maybe enter inside room now, you can't see that one guy. Get where you know. I think I will just drink today.
I like this kind of conversation. If you have that kind of
we don't wrap up. In one sentence, tell me, if now you did that situation where we say, babe, don't tell you for a very long time, say she be VV, aka I never crank. Then you come find and say don't crank after you marry. What you go do?
I go dey more concerned about saying wetin make this chick lie give me like this. So I go sit am down. I no go just throw away am say get out. No, I'll sit am down, ask am say babe, why you lie give me this kind of lie? Why? You think say if you no be virgin say I no go love you or waiting? When I come hear am out, hear all wetin you wan talk, I come assess the matter, come know whether I go throw away am or whether I go keep am.
Okay, Shakara and me no get any fanatic. One question I want just ask you, or me and just want answer.
Must not.
Say now.
I like your own question now. Your own question dey make sense.
The question
dey make sense now.
Together. 1, 2, 3, go. Why you no crank Dillish? Simple.
I announce my show before we go again. And if you want to see Melvin,
June 28. Muson Center. We live on our good night.